Hi everyone, my name is Angie Candell and I run a couple different Etsy businesses. One is called Angela Candela and it's mostly wedding related items, jewelry, and a few other things like that. And then I run a second one called Sarah Sue's Garden, and that's mostly garden related items and home decor. So I just wanted to show you what I've been working on. So this item, I recently found these. I thought they were so cute. I think they're supposed to be little milk cans. I think that's what it is. And they already had the little stakes attached. I was like, these would be perfect for a garden. And so I decided I was going to get them and customize them and put a bunch of different vegetable names on them. So that's what I'm doing. I hand letter everything. I don't use stencils or anything like that. I find a font that I like and I'll just look at it. I don't get it perfect. I'm not a perfectionist. Well, I am and I'm not. It's weird. But I do everything by hand. And my style, I don't even know if I really can describe my style, but I like to do things quickly, but also pretty. But I don't care if I'm a little bit messy either. So it's a nice little balancing act there. But anyway, this is what I'm working on. I'm going to fast forward through some of this because I'm sure you don't want to watch all 25 minutes of me hand lettering these, but I'll give you a good clip of what I was working on today and you can see the end result. So for this project, I'm using a permanent marker and I'm using an oil-based paint pen as well. And then once I'm finished with everything, I'm going to spray it with an acrylic sealer so that way it'll be a little bit more weatherproof out in the garden. Once I'm finished with this too, these will be up in my Sarah Sue's Garden Etsy shop, which I will put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.